wisdom teeth are
Impacted.
are extracted,
Impacted. And distracted.
and distracted, and manipulated.
Isaw means you're beautiful. Isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw is the intestine of Joanna.
And show your coffee, bebe. Ay, bebe.
Bebe. Chico.
Bebe!
Can we eat?
I know you're watching.
May mandati, Jo? Cannibalism again? Sobra na may kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And we are delighted to have you here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray! Ako po ay...
Bebe, laliman.
Okay, that's 20 likes. Oh, thank you, Colette.
Tapos nagkikis sa Rainy.
Parang mahina nakit ka sa akin, Bebe. Sa amin yan.
Kayong dalawa lang, kay Bebe wala. Kayong dalawa lang, kay Bebe wala.
Win sa akin, kaya wala pa nga
Ano tayo?
Isang beses tayo
Ano yan?
Happy birthday, Weavers!
Birthday ng Weavers?
Happy birthday,